Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Frida Davis, Unique Norwood, Kat Kashi, Tyler Burrows. We got Thomas and Chaps and Sam Cocktease, and we got Cadella Sweet. We got Dakota Edwards. We got everybody here. I know what you did wrong. I can see it clear. I can see clear through the wall of deception. I can see everything so clear. Nobody wants me here. You guys made me make my apartment dirty. You guys wanna make me go the fuck away for Christmas. But you guys are cursed. Yeah, you guys will never work. Yeah, you guys know what you did. You used the dark web to hack all my life, funding, spending, and you wanna break up my family. Hawaiians are taking back the pig. No Kahlua Pork or sugar cane for your holidays. That's right, no ham. No pineapple on your ham. You think that you're doing Hawaii a favor, but you're really looking real weak. You might not be unique nor would, cause you don't even peeking, got a happy here. Peeking, hey everybody, it's time to peek for you and me. Michigan time is here. Frida Davis and Jeremy too. Everybody's here in the stew. Everyone's snitching on you, making you look like you're a bad fucking fool. Nah, bro, that's all you. That's all you. You don't like Hawaiians? Oh, I thought I knew you. Yeah, I thought I knew who you were. I thought that I knew. But now you just spy and you stalking me. Your groups, your gang stalking me. The government knows about the telepathy that you guys are using to gang stalk people. And you're trapping out my mind. They're like, this kid has the strongest mind. We're just gonna set him free on a bunch of civilians. It's okay, he's Jesus. He's supposed to die on Easter. He's supposed to die on Easter Sunday. And you guys said, okay. It's Halloween time for you. You just died on Halloween, Jesus. What the fuck you gonna do? You don't know how to roll with my crew. You must be from Chicago, bro. You don't know what to do. You don't even know just what to do. Yeah, I punish you. In the name of the moon, I punish you. I choose you, Pikachu.